Déjà vu, a glimpse into parallel universe? Imagine stepping into a room for the very first time, yet feeling an inexplicable sense of familiarity. The arrangement of the furniture, the colors of the walls, even the conversation taking place, it all seems uncannily recognizable. Moments like these are what we call déjà vu asterisk, a mysterious phenomenon that has intrigued humanity for centuries. In this exploration, we'll unravel the scientific, philosophical, and imaginative threads around déjà vu and its potential connection to the multiverse. Is déjà vu merely a glitch in our memory processing? Or could it be a cosmic overlap offering a glimpse into alternate realities? Déjà vu, a French term that translates to already seen, is a peculiar sensation where you're convinced you've experienced an event or visited a place before, even when you know you haven't. It's both common and baffling, a fleeting moment that leaves you questioning the workings of your mind. Most people have experienced déjà vu at least once in their lives. This phenomenon is fleeting, lasting just a second or two, yet its impact is profound. It's as though some part of your brain is saying, "This has happened before," even when logic tells you it hasn't. Is it a trick of the mind, or could it be something more extraordinary? To answer this, we first need to examine how science has traditionally explained déjà vu. For decades, scientists have studied déjà vu, proposing various explanations rooted in brain function. One prevalent theory is that déjà vu results from mismatches in memory processing. The human brain relies on systems that encode, store, and retrieve memories. Occasionally, these systems might misfire, leading to a false sense of familiarity. Another hypothesis involves split-second delays in perception. For example, when experiencing a scene, one part of the brain might process the information slightly before another. This slight delay creates the illusion that the event has already occurred because your brain perceives the same moment twice in rapid succession. It's almost like a mental logic error. Psychological theories also play a role. Some suggest that déjà vu is triggered when a current situation resembles a forgotten memory. Others argue that stress or fatigue heightens the likelihood of experiencing it. While these explanations suggest that déjà vu stems from quirky brain mechanics, they don't account for the deeper feelings of familiarity many associate with the phenomenon. Could there be a more profound reason behind déjà vu? Enter the multiverse, the idea that countless universes parallel to our own exist alongside us. While this concept sounds like the stuff of science fiction, it has gained credibility in theoretical physics through ideas like the many-worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. The many-worlds interpretation suggests that every decision or event could trigger the creation of alternate outcomes in separate universes. These universes would diverge, creating infinite parallel versions of reality. It's a mind-bending concept, but one that intrigues physicists and philosophers alike. Could déjà vu be a fleeting interaction between these parallel realities? Could the strange familiarity we feel during déjà vu be a result of our consciousness momentarily overlapping with another version of ourselves, living in a slightly different universe? It's a tantalizing thought, one that stretches the boundaries of what we understand about reality. Imagine two parallel universes that are nearly identical. In one, you're walking through your neighborhood and it starts to rain. In another, everything is the same, except the rain hasn't started yet. Now, picture déjà vu as a momentary glitch in this separation. Perhaps, for a brief instant, your consciousness overlaps with your counterpart in the alternate universe. You feel something familiar because, in a way, you have experienced it, but not in this version of reality. This idea raises fascinating questions about how interconnected different dimensions might be. Some scientists speculate that quantum phenomena like entanglement could provide clues. Quantum particles can influence each other instantaneously across vast distances, suggesting a hidden interconnectedness in the fabric of reality. If particles can remain connected across universes, could it be possible for our consciousness to do the same? While speculative, the theory that déjà vu connects to parallel universes isn't entirely without precedent. Theoretical physics is rife with concepts that challenge our understanding of existence. Theoretical experiments, like those conducted at the Large Hadron Collider, explore the fundamental building blocks of the universe and occasionally point to anomalies that defy conventional explanations. Moreover, if the multiverse exists, It could explain not only déjà vu, but other phenomena humans grapple to understand: intuitions, dreams, or even the feeling of connectedness to distant places. Connecting these dots remains a scientific stretch, but the possibilities keep thinkers intrigued. Philosophically, the idea of alternate realities isn't new either. Ancient philosophical traditions often wove together notions of interconnected selves or dimensions. Could déjà vu be the manifestation of an age-old human intuition that we are not alone, not just in the universe, but in the fabric of reality itself? While connecting déjà vu to parallel universes is thrilling, it's essential to approach this idea critically. Neuroscience offers strong evidence that déjà vu is more likely a product of memory misfires than dimensional crossovers. Advanced brain imaging studies reveal patterns of brain activity during déjà vu that correlate with memory recognition. These findings suggest déjà vu is firmly rooted in the brain, not beyond it. Additionally, the multiverse hypothesis, though mathematically plausible, remains unproven. It raises logistical challenges, including questions about how communication or overlap between universes could even occur. Occam's razor, a principle that prefers simpler explanations, also favors neuroscientific theories. If déjà vu can be explained by brain activity, why leap to the multiverse? Still, this doesn't diminish the allure of imagining a deeper, cosmic explanation. Though unconventional, exploring connections between déjà vu and parallel universes enriches our curiosity about the mysteries of existence. Multiverse theories represent the outer edges of human imagination and scientific inquiry. By entertaining them, we challenge the limits of what we think is possible, fostering creativity and thought-provoking discussion. Moreover, the relationship between phenomena like déjà vu and the multiverse exemplifies humanity's enduring curiosity. Even if déjà vu is a simple memory hiccup, speculating about more profound explanations reminds us how little we know about the brain, consciousness, and the cosmos. For balance, it's worth acknowledging other hypotheses. Some see déjà vu as a kind of subconscious memory retrieval, where forgotten experiences resurface in unexpected ways. Others associate it with reincarnation or past lives, believing the familiarity stems from a soul's prior journeys. Déjà vu is more than a passing sensation. It's a window into the extraordinary complexity of the human mind, and perhaps even the cosmos itself. Whether it's the result of memory glitches, split-second perception errors, or a tantalizing overlap with parallel universes, one truth remains: déjà vu challenges our understanding of reality. This small, fleeting moment invites big, bold questions. What asterisk is asterisk reality? Are we alone in it? And why, in moments of déjà vu, do we feel as if we've been here before? So, the next time déjà vu strikes, take a moment to ponder: is it just a trick of your memory, or a passageway to an alternate universe? You decide.